Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your online grocery store business. For example, you have an online grocery store business in where your customers can view items, track delivery slots and get contact support. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your online grocery store business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customers instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of grocery store, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Fresh Basket Grocery Store. Your daily essentials delivered fresh and fast right to your doorstep. How can we assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is view items, delivery slots and contact us. If I'll click on view items, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me some groceries item, that is milk, bread and apple, including their price and one button, that is book now. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will ask me for my full name. So here I am giving them my full name. Here I provided. After that it will ask me for my address. So here I am giving them one test address. Here I provided. After that you can see it will respond to me like this, that order confirmed. Thank you Mehruz Khan for shopping with Fresh Basket Grocery Store. Our team will connect with you shortly to confirm your delivery slots and assist you further. Now if I'll click on delivery slots, then you can see it will provide me all the available delivery slots for today. Now if I'll click on contact us, then it will provide me all the contact details of this Fresh Basket Grocery Store. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your online grocery store business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in the sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our online grocery store business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of online grocery store. After that, I want to write one welcome message for my customer. For that, I am taking one text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing a welcome message. Here I write it. At the end of this message you can see I'll ask my customer that how can we assist you today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as view items. The second button I'll write as delivery slots, and the third button I'll write as contact us. After that, I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my customer wants to view an items that are available in my grocery store, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am taking one media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here. Select media type as image and upload image of first item that are available in my grocery store. By clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am providing the name of this item including their price and one button that is book now. Here I write it. After that I write it. Now I want to add some more items in my list. So I am clicking on this plus add content button, choose content type as media button. It will again provide me one box where I can select the media type as image and upload the image of my next item. Here I uploaded. Now I am writing the name of this item including their price in this enter caption box. Here I write it. In this also I am providing one button that is book now. By clicking on this, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my button as book now. After that I want to add one more items. The steps would be the same that we have done in both of these items. So again I am clicking on this plus add content button, choose content type as media button, select media type as image and upload the image of another item. Here I uploaded including the name of this item and one button, that is book now. After that I am connecting this circle which are present in front of view items to this message. It is connected. Now if my customer wants to purchase any of these items from my grocery store, then they will click on this button, book now button. So at first my bot will ask them about their name. For that I am clicking on this action option, choose button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question that please provide your full name. Here I write it in the select contact custom field. I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I'll select the format as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your customer, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book now to this message, this circle also, and this too. The response would be the same as whenever my customer wants to purchase any of these items from my grocery store, then at first my bot will ask them about their full name, then the location of them. Now for that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as please provide your address. See, here I write it in the select contact custom field. I'll select as address. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message, then you can write in this box. After that I'm connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my customer will provide me their name as well as their address, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. In this you can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol my bot will respond to my customer by their name. As different customer have different names, so for sending their manual name we will use this symbol. Now after that the second one is the delivery slots. If my clients wants to explore the delivery slots that are provided by my online grocery store, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the delivery slots that are available in my online grocery store business. Here I write it. After that the third one is the contact us. If my customer wants to contact with me, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am again clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. The step is very easy and similar. You can also add many details, items and create this by your own choice. Now in this enter message box I am writing the contact details of my online grocery store business. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my customer in the bold format. In simple words, it is used for highlighting points. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your online grocery store business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your customer like this. It will provide them all the items that are available in your grocery store, contact details and also get the information of your customer. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.